Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can add a password to the lock screen in Windows 11. So if you see here on my computer, I can sign in without any password right now. So to add a password, the easiest way would be to right click on your start menu and click on settings, click on accounts, and here you can see sign in options. Click here and you have an option to add a password here. Click on password and click on add. Now, since I do not have password right now, I have to type a password. So type your password here and type here one more time to confirm it. And you can type your password hint. Just in case, if you forgot your password, Windows will give you this password hint so you can remember your password. So click on next and click on finish. So now if I lock my computer screen, I have to use a password to sign into my account. So this is how we can add a password on a Windows 11 PC.